Bula everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency and the only global real estate agency in Fiji. And guess what? We have a beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, modern, gorgeous DENARAU home here in Fairway Palms. And this is a great precinct, not because we live here, but because it is one of the closest precincts and neighborhoods 24/7 guard gated to Port DENARAU Marina, with all of the shopping, restaurants, retail, coffee shops and wine bars, you name it. It is all right there. Some really great fishing charter boats, sunset cruises, and of course all the inner island boat transfers will get you all around the Mamanutha, the Asawa Islands, and some of the most famous surfing and pelagic fishing and diving on this planet. So as you can see, we're walking through the home here with the ceiling fans, recessed lights, of course the air cons, and here we have the bathroom downstairs. Look at that, beautiful tile work. And you have both the rain shower and the wand. Very convenient, beautiful granite countertops. Look at the tiling in here all the way to the ceiling. I mean, this is really clean and nice, low maintenance. So if you're looking for a fantastic property to purchase here in Fiji, in one of the best areas, the crown jewel, DENARAU Island, this is something you're gonna wanna definitely take a look at. And you can see you have your separate laundry, double sink. There's your drying out there, great drying racks, lots of extra storage. Beautiful, huge island, look at this. And then that Pacific green furniture. This is made locally in Fiji from palm trees, believe it or not. So these are actually palm wood, and it's sustainably grown, so it's really incredible. And the design is just awesome. We have this in our office as well, and this is very, very expensive quality stuff here. So when you see this in a home in DENARAU, you know you're getting some good stuff. And you can tell that this home, really nice. Look at that nice vaulted ceilings. Common design here in Fiji, really high roofs. And you have the nice cyclone shutters there with the glass, so you get that really nice light and bright feel here. And you can see this open concept downstairs. Great for entertaining, the bar stools, great island. Look at this beautiful cooktop. And of course you have the micro, and I mean, like me, I gotta have some music. So if you're in here cooking, boy, you gotta be dancing a little bit at the same time. Maybe grab yourself a nice glass of wine or a little Fijian rum. That'll set you straight. And in fact, they're actually distilling gin and vodka here too. So, and the distillery is on the Coral Coast, and that might be something fun for you to do while you're here in Fiji as well, is take a drive along the Coral Coast, check out the distillery, and check out some of the fun places here in Fiji when you're not out on the beach. So here you have beautiful lap pool, and we are looking right now at the DENARAU golf course just right here on the fairway. The lounger's just waiting there for you. There's some great sitting areas. They're cleaning up here. Notice the outside shower. Look, the gardeners are here making this place perfect for you with all this outside seating, covered patios. But wait, we are not done yet. So we're gonna go upstairs and show you the 4th master suite. But look at this really cute nook in here. And these doors close. So if you wanted some private time, make that into an office. You could actually do that as well. Right now they have it set up for breakfast, but really nice opportunity for somebody to have just like a nice private office where you can see things, keep an eye on the kids, but still get some work done. So there's that gorgeous hand-carved wood door and the beautiful landscaping here. Great tropical flowers. Okay, walk with me, we're not done yet. So you're gonna wanna go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999-2051, and we can get you all the details regarding pricing this home and all of the other certifications that this home comes with as well. But look at this great master. This is something that we really like to see here, is all this extra storage space. Great desk there. You put a nice mirror and you have a nice makeup mirror and a place to store your extra belongings there, like your jewelry and things like that. And then hanging up, probably not too much formal wear because you're going to be at the beach. So hang up those swim trunks and all your casual wear, what they call bula shirts here. But look at this private patio. And before we get over there, we're going to check out this huge master with the double sinks. And there is that shower, rain shower, that is so soothing after a beautiful day like today when you're golfing or out at the beach. And then that wand, and again, really tiled and clean throughout. And finally, we're gonna go back out and you can see another desk here. So if you do have to do some work, no excuses. Here's the covered patio, and look at this view. You could be sitting right there, right by that pool, enjoying these golf course views. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Better yet, call us. We want to hear from you at +679-999-2051. Find out about this home and all of our listings available here in this 333 island nation of Fiji. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Vinaka.